Hey everybody, Johnny here with Team Legit. Some of you guys may know that I'm the USA distributor for the Lemon RX line of receivers. What's Lemon RX? Lemon RX are DSM-2 receivers currently in the DSM-2. I know that they're in the talks and the works are coming out with the DSM-X line of receivers, but currently they have the DSM-2 full line of receivers. They come in many different variations. They come in 6-channel, 8-channel, 10-channel receivers. But one thing that I really like about these receivers is the quality is a lot better than the actual Spectrum brand receivers. In my opinion, they are a lot better. They run ceramic chips on the boards, and they're much lighter. They only the 6-channel micro lights are only about 3.5 grams for the complete receiver. One thing that I really like about these receivers is they're really good quality, and their brownout tolerances are much lower. They don't brown out till about 2.8, 2.9 volts. When I know I've had issues with my actual Spectrum brand receivers browning out about 4 volts or whatnot, and the servos just stopped working. One of my favorite things about this line of receivers is that the manufacturer actually listens to the feedback from the distributors, from the users, from you guys. They actually listen to your guys' feedback. They originally launched them with the 6-channel microlight systems with the 2 configurations with either the end pin or the top pin. Then they decided that people were demanding the no pin receivers for those ultra light systems. So they came out with a 6-channel system with no pins. A little bit more about their line, which I know is definitely moving in the correct direction for a lot of the new technology out there, is they offer 6-channel receivers, 8-channel receivers, and 10-channel receivers with PPM out. What does that mean? PPM is a newer line of transmission where you can actually plug one wire right into your controller. I know a lot of guys are flying these micro quadcopters that require a PPM signal, and what that means is you just run one servo wire from the receiver to your controller, and that's it. You don't need jumpers from each one of the channels. It will control all of the channels in that one line. A lot of the new OSDs and flight controllers are requesting the PPM signal, so Lemon RX has met the demand. I have here is a 8-channel. The 8 and 10 channel come in a full range receiver. They come with also a micro light satellite receiver. So you can run the satellite receiver externally outside the aircraft or in a different location just to get a better coverage. But the 8 and 10 channel receivers offer full failsafe. Full failsafe. There's a little switch here when you're doing your bind process. There's a process you do. You can offer full failsafe on each one of the channels. So what does that mean for me? For FPV, when I'm flying out and I lose radio connection, I want my radio to go into failsafe, and I want my throttle to kick in. I want it to be managed correctly. So you can program that on the failsafe in case you get those really far flights. But today what I wanted to talk to you guys about is a new system that they just came out with. This package just came in the mail today. This is a 6-channel. I believe it may be the DSM-X. I have to double check the specs from the email that I got from the Lemon RX group. But this is a full range 6-channel receiver. But not only is it a full range 6-channel receiver, it also has a built-in stabilizer built into the board. There is 3 pots here to adjust the gains, and there's little dip switches to either reverse or correct the configuration of the servo movement. So I'm really excited about this full range, full stabilized receiver. This allows for a nice compact solution so you don't have to run an external stabilizer in there. It's already built into the receiver. So this could be really good for some FPV pilots out there, but it also could be good for somebody just beginning to fly, just learning how to fly. You get the stabilizer in there, you get it all configured in there, and you can have a fully stabilized flight. I'm really excited to try this out, and I can't wait to get this into one of my aircrafts. So for ordering information from the USA distributor, I'll put that in the description below. There'll be a couple links, and I'll also put a link in there for the thread that's going on the RC groups to that talks about all these and all the different suggestions and the new direction that the whole line is going. But I wanted to say thanks to Lemon RX for sending me this prototype to test out today, and I'm really excited to try out this receiver line. I offer full support because I know that the actual manufacturer is going to back me up. Lemon RX is really good about taking care of its customers and taking care of its distributors. So for more information, click on the links below. And if this video helped you, or if you'd like to see more products like this, don't forget to click the like button. I'm Johnny with Team Legit. Thanks for watching.